Hey Elks, Mr. Haggerty here checking in for the morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, November 18th, 2020, and the focus this morning is going to be on engagement. Yesterday went really well as a whole as we start this new remote learning session, but we want to make sure that we have our students as focused as possible, and that means that you are active learners even if we are at home or wherever learning. So when you're in your Google Meets, just a couple quick reminders. The chat feature, we need to make sure that we're using those only as intended. If your teacher has set some boundaries on how the chat works and keep things very specific to whatever you're learning in class. Chats are not just a way to communicate about things outside of class. So in those Google Meets, remember all those chats are recorded. We don't want you using those as anything other than your teacher is asking you to do. Also, just being a part of the class, making sure that you're raising your hand, participating in discussions, and being that good active learner, listener when you're there. Part of that comes with a few things that we shouldn't be doing. Definitely you don't want to be distracting to your classmates or distracting yourself as well. So you don't want to be using a phone or anything else that's going to be taking away from what the teacher might be sharing or your classmates. So just make sure that you are working as hard as you can to be engaged during the Google Meets. I know sometimes it can be awkward participating, either hearing yourself or seeing yourself on camera, but just know that we're all in this together, and if you're doing your best, that's what counts. So I hope everyone has a fantastic start to the day today. Have a great day, and go Elks!